Hello guys, Nicolasupertramp here, and I'm going to teach you guys a move. Actually, it's a twirl, a 2-card twirl. I usually get into this twirl after Dropout by Oliver. So now we're going to learn. That's right. So first of all, you're going to pull off one card and grab it with your thumb and index finger. And then you're going to rotate your hand and do the exact same motion, but with this card over this card. So you're going to turn your hand once again, and you're going to perform half flicker by the verse, which is like this. So you do this, and then you rotate it back. But as you rotate it back, you're going to put your thumb here, like above those cards, and as you rotate at this point, instead of going like this for a full rotation, you stop and you just do this. So basically your thumb revolves around your index and it just pops the card, and for this you just let go. You extend your index and middle finger and just whoosh, back. You have to do those last motion as fast as possible. So like this, this. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. You can follow me on Instagram, I don't have a YouTube account. Well, actually I do, but I don't post anything, so just follow me on Instagram. And see you guys the next one.